Thanks for tuning in. I'm Taiwo Gold, and in case you're new here, I am Taiwo Gold. I'm an artist and a lifestyle vlogger. And today I'm my friend Dami. We are going to the best of a food spot in Ibadan. We heard about it, the vibe was so much, and I feel like maybe it's overhyped, but sincerely, guys, sincerely, let's come along. Let's see if I'm actually overhyping or it's true. And then I want to say a very big thank you for as many of you guys that saw the video we did, like nightlife video in Ibadan. So best stay tuned and see this one as well. It's a very interesting video. I want you to see the catfish and see if it's truly real. And in case you're in Ibadan, yes, you can try it out. I'll put the address of the place in the description so you can check it out if you're in Ibadan or you just Of course, I'm not running an ad, like they don't even know me, they didn't know I'm doing this, so it's not even paid to do this. I'm just giving a innocent and honest review. Yeah, that's it. So let's see this together. This was hair lights. Why do they always love to punish you all the time? Why do they give the hard meat?
Yeah, meat is very soft.
Raw vegetable. Huh? Raw vegetable. Have you ever tried catfish with motina? I swear it's one of the best combos. So have a very good, nice street life. What's up with us, Nim? Thank you. I'm going far. This is a very good part of the food. See all these bones. No, that is.
In my eyes, I'm proud something. I what it could be to my love. I love you. I can't love you, mama. Well,
That is in the enter my body.
everything for me.
Nothing for you. So somebody is loving you. Somebody is loving you.
Is that you want to marry?
Yeah. Where? Are you joking now? You're wicked. This is nice. Very nice. Big on that spirit. It's very hard.
Close your eyes and come and see it. Don't you want to find a thing? Cause if you walk out,
Show 60 of mine online like this.
ìyàwó máa gbọ́ná, máa gbọ́ kọ́mọ. It's in a lot of toasting. Now the guys have been up to have.
Let me dash this one away.
For the ones that they don't understand, feeling kind of
This is
great.
one thing I like about catfish. It has a lot of segments and bones that makes it so incredible.
Come shining. People started to say that she was born and a Mr. Land. All that she wanted was a man, a city land. Say she's a fool to make my wife. Baboon, they got the job. Me, I go jump on the market as long as
Let's finish this up.
don't be make you know the rush. I beg you make you keep me with caution.
See the skin.
Let go back. I beg you keep me let go back. Along. I go back. I beg you keep me let
This
go back.
pepper soup is busting my brain.
Let go back. I beg you let go back.
Let's finish up. Let's finish up.
Onílọ́jọ́ ìyàwó, ọkọ ìyàwó máa ń bọ̀. Lórí ìyàwó, láwọlé o.
Very nice.
Torí ìyàwó, nítorí olùrànlọ́wọ́, nítorí
Yeah, done, Ami.
bóyá nítorí ẹni ní akíkanrí. Ẹni ní akíkanrí rè é. Bàbá ìyàwó rè é. Ẹni ní akíkanrí gbọ́dọ̀. Bóyá sọ wípé àrí sọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ dayọ̀. Alálàṣà mo bá ròde èèyàn pàtàkì jọ. Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́. Àwọn àgbà àmàyíyàwó máa gbọ́. Èdè evangelist Akíntọ́ mi rè é. Àwọn agbóhùn lẹ́nu mi. Yèlé máa wo bẹ̀ ní màmá rẹ̀. Yèlé 1 million ní màmá rẹ̀. Ó ní agbóhùn kan wà ló ń bá lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́. Ẹ bá mi kọ́kọ́ ìyàwó kó tún mọ́ mi síbí. Ọkọ tí mo kì í ní. Kó tún mọ́ mi síbí, kó tún mọ́ mi sí tòsí. Torí wá bọ̀bọ̀.
So guys, that was also one of the pepper soups that break a lot of cords on my head. That was it. It was so nice, well spiced. Awesome. Yeah, and see. So we have left. And my mountain remains just more. I'm going to finish it now.